This is the third and final part of chapter 2 civics class 6. Chapter's name is prejudice and discrimination. In previous part we had studied about prejudice and discrimination and about constitutions also. In this part we will learn about what our constitution says. The main goal of the constitution was to ensure that all the people of India were considered equal. This equality of citizens is seen as a key value that unites us as Indians. Here are some highlights of our constitution. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities. In our country, India, our constitution says everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Second is untouchability is seen as a crime and has been legally abolished by law. People are free to choose the kind of work they want to do. Every people are free to choose the kind of work they want to do. In ancient times, work was divided by according the people's caste. But today, in our constitution, people are free to choose the kind of work they want to do. Next, government jobs are open for everyone. Government jobs are open for everyone. Every Indian has the freedom to follow his religion, his or her religion, speak his or her language, celebrate their festivals, and should be compulsory all to follow. All groups must be respected and treated equally. Another point is not a single language, religion or festival should be compulsory for all to follow. All groups must be respected and treated equally. Thus, India is a secular country where people of different religions and faiths live together and respect one another. This is as an important element of our country's unity. These points are says our constitution in India. Students, let me show you the constitution of India. This is the figure of preamble of India. This is preamble of India. Now let me explain in Hindi also. In our constitution, some points are said like these. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Means एंशियंट टाइम में क्या होता था, लोगों को समान अधिकार नहीं थे, पर हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा गया, जब हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना उसके बाद जो उसके अकॉर्डिंग लोगों को समानता का अधिकार दिया गया, उनको मतलब बराबर अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी जाती थी कि वो अपने मन मुताबिक काम कर सकें, अपने ही अकॉर्डिंग अपने राइट्स का यूज़ कर सकें, और गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स भी उनके लिए ओपन थी. अब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग जितने भी इंडियंस हैं सबको फ्रीडम थी अपने रिलीजन को फॉलो करने की, और उनको अपनी लैंग्वेज बोलने की, अपने फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने की उन लोगों को फ्रीडम थी. और कोई भी एग्जैक्ट या कंपलसरी कोई भी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन या फेस्टिवल उनको फॉलो करने के लिए कोई भी कंपल्सन नहीं थी. अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जितने भी कास्ट ग्रुप्स थे मीन्स हैं, उनको इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट मिले, उनको जो ट्रीटमेंट होता था उनको वो इक्वल मिले. ये ऐसा अब हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहा गया है.